Hello, today's video is going to be on replacing your oven light bulb on a Whirlpool oven. What we're going to use for this is an appliance light bulb and also a work glove with rubber fingers. The light bulb is placed behind a glass protector here in the corner of the oven, and it's very difficult to remove. I've watched other videos and seen online posts about how to remove it, and they've used everything from their bare hands to oil wrenches, metal tools. What I found was that these rubber gloves seem to work the best. So what you do is you turn it counterclockwise, and if it's very difficult, what I did, this one's already loose because I already worked on it a little bit, is after I got it stuck going counterclockwise, I would then go clockwise just a tad, and then it came right out. So, and then it does about 2 to 3 turns, and it pops out. This is what the glass protector looks like. Looks kind of like a small jar. And then below or behind that, let's set that down, is the light bulb. This is an Appliance 40-watt light bulb. This one is frosted. The one I purchased is a clear one because they didn't have any frosted ones. So let me open up the package and I'll show you how to put it all back together. Okay, now that I have the package open, I just wanted to show you the difference between the frosted and the clear one. The clear one is all the store near me had. They did not have the frosted ones. This is the same as a traditional light bulb, incandescent light bulb. It's a smaller size. It's called an A15. A15 is the appliance size bulb. So let's put this in there and let's see if it comes on. Look at that, it came right on. Apparently I have the button on and the door is open. So let's go ahead and put the glass protector on, and it goes over it and then screws in clockwise. And I'm going to make sure that I don't screw it on there too tight because, as I mentioned, it's very difficult to get out the first time. If you do find that it's difficult, like I said earlier, kind of maybe turn it back clockwise and then counterclockwise, and it should come out just fine. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I have other videos on other topics. Please check out the rest of my channel, and if you find them informational, please don't hesitate to subscribe. It does help out the channel. We appreciate your support. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.